Thank you for tuning in here today with me in the forest. Today it's a little bit colder than the previous days. We had a sort of summer preview as we normally have here in Sweden during this time of year. Summer comes and takes a little sneak peek, and then it goes back in hide again. So now, I don't know how many degrees, maybe around 10, something like that, which is a very refreshing temperature, and the air is really rejuvenating, and the smell of the nature is it's very refreshing. And I found this little paradise here in the moss. It's like clouds of moss. It's super nice. And the colors, they're so green. And I saw this small path into this place, and I just had to follow it. And as I came here, I got this I almost felt sad, like happy and sad. Like it was like I felt like crying, tears of sadness and joy at the same time. I appreciate this earth so much. To be able to be here and walk on this earth and see the miracle of this earth everywhere. And even big cities are miracles, and they have their own beauty. But my favorite place to connect to myself is in nature, just as Mother Nature creates it naturally without the input of human action. Because as much as I love and appreciate the human action or manipulation of the world, coming back to nature is always my favorite thing to do, because it's here where, like, alone, when you go out alone into a forest or a jungle or anywhere in nature, a mountain, by the ocean, on a beach, like really anywhere in nature, and you're by yourself, you realize, if you just sit there by yourself, you come to this recognition that you're not by yourself. You're never by yourself. You have the magnificent miracle of life unfolding mystically in front of you, inside of you, all around, in all directions, all the time. And as I came into this space here, I laid down and I touched the ground. I connect with the mother I hug the mother, the trees. I give them nothing really. I just hug them. I hug the trees, the ground, and express my gratitude for this earth. And why I felt sad and joyful at the same time is because I'm so happy for this experience of this earth, but at the same time I'm so sad for how we humans treat this earth, how we disrespectfully destroy this earth, both consciously and unconsciously. We run on programs that works against nature. We work against the natural unfolding of life. And so therefore we destroy life. We destroy life on this earth. And a lot is changing in the world, and we're moving into beautiful times as humanity is waking up to spirit. That's why I'm here now in nature doing this video, because I have a message to share with humanity. And the message goes like this: get your ass out in nature and sit with yourself. Allow yourself to fully tune in to the natural vibrations of this earth. Simply sit without thought and just attune yourself with the natural vibrations of this earth. If you do this, you might come to a significant recognition that you are not separated from this earth. Rather, you are an interrelated being connected to this earth. And the reason for doing this, the reason for going out in nature and attuning yourself to the natural vibration of earth, is because the more of us human beings going out and reattuning ourselves with nature, the more we raise the vibrations of humanity, and collectively we can rearrange the destructive behaviors that we have implemented in the human condition today. So many of us live and run on conditioned programs from past generations. And it's ignorance. It is ignorant behaviors. So come back to nature, reattune yourself with nature, and change your own vibrations. Transcend your vibrations. Raise your vibrations. attune your vibrations with Mother Earth and see how everything in your life will start to change. And people around you will start to change. And the more you do this, the better the environment will be for all beings. Not just on this earth, but in all of the cosmos, all of existence. The vibrations we keep on this earth affects all of existence. The vibrations that you keep within yourself, the vibrations that you vibrate, the frequency that you send out, it affects the whole existence. Mother Earth is here to help us. Mother Earth always supports us. There might be storms coming, speeding winds, destroying cities, fires burning of natural causes from the sun firing up this earth. There might be destructive phases of natural causes happening because of the manipulation of the natural causes thanks to humankind. And we can change all of that. We can manipulate it back again by reattuning to the grounding and centered vibration of Mother Nature, simply by going out and sitting in nature. That's really all we have to do. Thank you for listening to me. If you feel like you resonate with the content I share on my channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out my Instagram, tree.creating.